What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video of Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What you're doing right, and hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. Alright, let's get straight into this video. So I'm going to be trying to attempt to do a perm rise. It is a tutorial. Like I said, attempted. This is my first time doing one, and this is how it came out. So if you want to stay tuned to see how the process went, to see if it failed or not, then keep going throughout this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and apologize if y'all can hear the fan. I tried to put it on this lowest settings. If y'all can hear it, well, y'all can just hear it. But I'm gonna speak up just a little bit. I'm doing a perm rise set, and I'm going to do a side part. I'm thinking, do I want a side part? Let me see, hold on. Do I want a side part this way? Let's make it a little bit how we want. Do we want a side part? We always like our hair on this side. So we're gonna do a side part on this side over here. Yes, ma'am. Oh. So coming out, coming out, coming out. I don't know why my hair feels kind of like sticking right now. It didn't feel like that when I took my braids out. So I'm gonna try to do one. Like I said, this is my first time. I watched a couple of videos, so I kind of know what to do. Kinda don't. We shouldn't start with a front one. We should probably start with one from the back. I don't know. Cause we only have this size perm rods. Right. Yeah, I only have this size perm rods. My camera is not focusing. Oh my gosh. But I only got this gray type of perm rod. And I have a few blue ones. And like 2 pink ones. I'm trying to use the gray in the back of my head as much as I can, and when I get to the front, I'll just use the blue and the pink. So, yep. That's a natural hair influencer, and she followed me on my TikTok and watches my hair videos. And I seen that she used this to do a twist out, only this. So I'm like, if I use this and this mousse to do a perm set, it should come out right, shouldn't it? Because this product is the only product I have in my house right now. So we're going with just a little bit of Blue Magic. You don't need that much. Hold on. The light's not focusing, but yeah, that much. You only need that much. And we're gonna go throughout the whole section of hair with that. Make sure you get your ends, but I try not to put it all the way to my roots. But yeah, I'm just gonna get my ends a little more because they're looking a little dull down there. I do know I need like a professional trim, but I kind of try to trim my hair once a month, kind of, or whenever I want to. Now I'm about to go in with this mousse. This is for people who want to know, the foam clear shine formula. This, I'll just show y'all the bottle, cause me trying to show y'all with all that, bruh, if it focus, this light, okay, oh, that's changing it. How do you, oh, there you go. This is what I have. And this is also what I'm using. Okay? Y'all can see that. But I'm about to turn the light back up. I don't know how to work this ring light. Give me a second, yo. Give me a second. Okay, there I go. Focus. Hold on. Let it focus. Because we don't want to be looking orange the whole video. Oh, I'm 9 minutes in and all I've done is talk. But I'm going to take some moves. 1, 2. 2 pumps. My light is too bright. It really is. So let's turn it down. We turn it down just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna take my mousse and put it on my hair and go all the way down to the bottom of my hair. Oh Lord, will that work? What did that do? It curled up like that. That's what that looked like. That don't look so good. So we're gonna take a little bit more, and I'm gonna take a little bit more Blue Magic and put on the ends of my hair again. Take our mousse. I'm really focusing on the ends this time. So yeah, really focusing on the ends. And now since I don't have a good grip on my hair, I am just going to twist at the top like a little bit. Or should I? No, I'm not going to twist at the top. I'm not, because I'm going to try to do a good perm mod. So, smooth it on out. Smooth it on out. You see that? Look at that. I don't know how people use mousse to define their curls, because I couldn't. Where is the little thingy? Okay, take your perm rod. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom of your hair. And you're going to make sure it's flat on there. You see how flat that is? Do you see how flat? Bro, let me turn the light down. How you turn the light down? Oh, there you go. You see how flat that is? Yeah, you can see all these hairs. But you see how flat that is right there? That's how you want it. And then I just like twisted this around right here. Now we're gonna roll it up just a little bit. Well, try to cover your ends. You're gonna start rolling on up. Hold on, something's wrong. Okay, something's wrong. This is loose. Let me start again. Well, I said this is my first time, so y'all gotta give me some chances. So go to the bottom. Now start rolling it up very tightly. As you roll it up, you want to like kind of pull down, but roll up. Now that we're like halfway through, you're going to do this. You're going to twist the perm rod all the way up. All the way up. I hope I'm doing this right. Do you see that? I know y'all do. Now, take your pen and clip it there, and it should stay.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I'm a house since city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. On myself, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep in it till I feel your touch. I said, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you know.
did not know this was that bad at doing. Like, it's terrible. I don't know how people do this. I had to redo this one because of how it came out.
But I love it. But I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know. This I know. Girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. Feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. But I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. It's gotta love it. She'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, this I know.
Hollywood, man, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Smoking and drinking, playing cards.
So you guys, I finally finished this hot look of a mess hairstyle. And this is what it's looking like. Hold on. So now you're gonna get a back view. Well, let's turn this way because of the light. But yeah, this looks horrendously horrible. But you know what? Putting it back on the tripod so I can talk. I thought it was gonna be bad anyway, because this is my first time doing it, and every time I do a new hairstyle the first time, it never comes out right. So it's the next morning. Well, it's the morning, and I used the blow dryer. I'm trying to show you the blow dryer this morning for like 20-25 minutes while I was getting dressed. They feel dry. They felt dry last night. So I'm going to get my oil. The oil that I'm always using is the grapeseed oil, brothers. I really just want to see what this looks like. Yeah, gotta oil your fingertips up. You want them slippery. I'm gonna start with the first one that we did, and this is this one. Oh gosh, I'm really scared to do this. I'm rolling them. Oh, hold on. Let me scoop my chair up. I should have scooped my chair up at the beginning of the video. This is what it looks like. Not even gonna lie, I thought it would look different. I thought it would look worse. Okay, now let's take them all down. You saw me, caught you by surprise. A single teardrop over your eyes. I don't know why I run away. I make you cry when I run this is my hair. It actually doesn't look bad after I did it a little bit. The front is a little frizzy, but that's okay. Don't mind me being hot and everything.